that, but we need more fundraising on a local level. Things that you can do for yourself, through car washes, or raising money at school. Anything that will be donated to organizations like the World Health Organization, or even the UNICEF, will all help to develop towards this goal.
So just as she elaborated on, malaria is somewhat similar to HIV/AIDS. However, in the budget usage, malaria should be more emphasized because in the previous years, 2 out of 3%, a fraction of 2 out of 3 budget usage were mostly focused on HIV/AIDS. However, we should be more focused on malaria because it wasn't used a lot and it was not specifically focused on. So we want to emphasize more on malaria. And just as she talked about, education is very important, and the basic primary education of how malaria is received, and all those basic information are very crucial to understand. Just as I explained, budget usage should be in a regional funding and for compensation. Number 3 is infrastructure, which is one of the most important factors. It is because mosquitoes and other harmful insects are mostly came from water purification systems and dirty pipes and all those types of materials. So we want to help focus cleaning those because dirty pipes and those types of materials and systems are all contaminated. So if we clean those, we can help reduce the amount of malaria and malaria. So also we want to help input more roads, hospitals, and schools for that too. For number 4 is stabilized ecosystem. Now this might be kind of new idea, but we try to talk about stabilized ecosystem by increasing the amount of dragonflies, because dragonflies actually consume baby mosquitoes and harmful insects. So by increasing the amount of dragonflies would help create a balanced amount of organisms in that area. So this is related to infrastructure because polluted water really increases the amount of mosquitoes and malaria. So those are the 4 factors for malaria and HIV/AIDS.
This concludes our presentation, but before we go, we have one thing left to say. Remember, every human has the right to health. And because every human has the right to health, it is our responsibility in order to help work towards these goals. Thank you.
How would you encourage the government to prioritize your solution?
As this proposal is directed towards the UN, we are hoping that the UN would write up resolutions, perhaps within the GA, perhaps within the Security Council, and hopefully this will help governments encourage to bring forward more money in order to invest in HIV/AIDS and malaria.
Whose idea was it to increase the number of dragonflies? Where did you find that idea? You're thinking?
That's good.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.